Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaC budgets and vlogs. A link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you like. Also, I have a Ko-Fi shop and so does she, and both of them will be linked as well. Alright you guys, good news, great news. I actually won a giveaway from Pink Chic Budgets. And thank you so much. It was so exciting. When I saw my name, I was like, no, that's not me. But of course, it was me. So in this giveaway, she had a bunch of goodies. The box is pretty large. My desk is very small. So I set it off to the side. So what I'm going to do is just pull every item so you can see what I actually won. So hopefully this goes smoothly. Let's get started. First up, this really cute bag. So cute. It has a zip there. I'm not certain what I'm going to use it for. I was thinking if I have big bills or something like that, I can put it aside in my safe. So pretty. But I might actually have to use it for something like, you know, on a more day-to-day basis. But I love it. It's so pretty. Alright, and this is what was the main reason I entered, because I was like, oh, that binder, so pretty. It is this a soft pink binder with a little card there, and then the paper clip, and then this dashboard. Oh, that's a nice material. So I don't know if I'm going to use it for Christmas theme, but it is very pretty. And then all of these goodies came in here. These are different savings challenges. I believe she only showed 4 savings challenges, so she added a few more in there. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to set these up so I can make sure I am using them properly. Oh wow, so they're from different shops. Some of them are from SilynthiaC budgets, and then this one's from Angie's Finance, and then this one's from Purely Budgets. Oh my goodness, very good quality. And then Bare Bones Collectives. Okay, wow. Okay, and then this is the other savings challenge that I saw her put in there as well. Super duper cute. Okay, so a couple of savings challenges. Now, for those of you who don't know, my finances are very tight right now, so I don't know when I will get to these, but I would like to believe that I can conquer some of them, at least a few of them. I need to be saving. So this time next year, even if I am in a pickle, I have some savings. Let me see what else we have. All right, got another goodie. Oh yes, this is the charm that is actually going to go onto the binder, or whichever binder. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. The detail. Let me take it out of here. Let's take it out. Wow, that's really pretty. So I don't have any charms. I do have, I did have something a while ago that I thought to use for my binders. So this is really pretty. Oh man, and I love the color. So pretty. All right, next up is a paper clip. Oh, this is the Chanel paper clip she mentioned. Oh, that's pretty. So pretty, so pretty, so pretty. So I hope I'm in frame so you can see it. And what I'll do is I'll link the video that she actually showed everything, because she goes over a little bit more of who provided what, and I'll try to tag them as well. Let's see what else we got. My cash tray. I want a cash tray as well. I really wanted to start using my cash tray more, and I believe Sunday I pulled out my cash tray. So I'm going to try to make sure we're using this one from now on. This one is marked, it said fundsandfun.com. So I'm not certain exactly which shop this came from, but wow. Wow, it's amazing. And I love the color. I like that it's not it's not a bright color, but also it kind of goes with my backdrop, my little faux marble. So excited. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So we're going to try to make sure we can incorporate this, even if I have to get rid of my other decorations. All right, next up, Budget with Maddie is where this came from. It is the for money counting that I don't know exactly what it's called, but look how pretty that is. So we're going to try to make sure we incorporate this. All right, and then I have these beautiful paper clips, and they're from Hustle and Flows Co. So pretty. Oh, clip me up, any weather, stay ready, winter. So pretty. Oh, and some teller slips from Budget with Maddie as well. I haven't been using my budget slips lately because I've been going through the ATM. My timing is never right. But this might be something to incorporate, seeing as though we have the teller slips now. And lastly, oh my goodness. Okay, so this is cash planning, and it's from the Aesthetic Dollar. And I wanted to set up for the new year my A5 binder, and I don't know if I'm going to use it. If I don't, that's okay. I have these cash planning slips, which I can hole punch myself and put into my A5 binder. Cash planning is just another way to budget. And then this one also has the breakdown, so you can incorporate the teller slips as well. So now my wheels are churning, brain is firing on all cylinders of ideas. I will have to see how all of this plays out, because I really have cut back on the number of envelopes that I'm stuffing in terms of my bills and even sinking funds, but I'm hoping in the new year to incorporate more savings, more sinking funds or whatever, so then I can use this cash planning slip. I think going into the new year, I'm still going to leave my bills and my rent in my account. It just is working better for me. But yes, we're going to figure this out. We're going to have to work on this and see what we're going to do for 2026. So be on the lookout for that. Like I said, I have a hole punch and I have an A5 binder that I can actually use and, put into full effect. Okay, you guys, amazing. I am so grateful. Okay, so sorry about that. I got an interruption. But I did want to say thank you so much, Miriam. I appreciate every single thing. I was thinking to hold back on going ahead to enter this giveaway, but I was like, it's so many good things, especially for somebody who wants to be inspired to continue cash stuffing on film. This is great to contribute to that plan. I think I need a lot of things to keep me motivated and inspired. So with all of these goodies, I am hoping that good things will happen for me. Wow, such amazing quality from the products that you did send to me. I'm truly, truly grateful. And thank you so much for having that giveaway. Listen, I may enter your 1,000 subscriber. Well, and I mean, if you'll have me enter the next one, I sure will try again. So I appreciate you, and I'm so grateful. And congratulations on 500 subbies, and keep going. Road to 1K. I'm excited for you. But that's it for now, guys. We're going to keep moving forward in 2026 with our new goodies that we have and focus on doing big things with the blessings we received, and just stay motivated. But thank you so much, Miriam. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you. You guys, also, thank you for supporting my channel and coming back. It's been a wonderful year. And I will see you on Sunday for our last cash stuffing for the month of December and our last cash stuffing for 2025. Can you believe it? It's almost over. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.